Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your TV turning off your PlayStation 5 or your TV just randomly turning off. So this is very simple to do. What you want to do is go up to the top and go to Settings right here and select this and go down to System. Then go to HDMI and we are looking for the option called Enable Power Off Link. So this says if you turn off the device connected to your PS5, your TV, your PlayStation 5 will enter rest mode. So just go ahead and disable this and you won't have to worry about that issue. And then above that we have enable one touch play. If you turn on your PS5, well, your connected device will also turn on and switch this input to the PS5. So just turn this off right here. You might want to leave enable HDMI device link turned on. This is going to allow you to control your PlayStation 5 with your TV remote. So look at those as an option. Hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.